That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo, look at that black yo, hitting me with
Hey kids and queens, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janisha for those who may or may not know, and I'm back with another video. I know y'all probably looking at like, girl, why your eyebrows look like that? Because it's October, duh. So I'm not gonna do a lot. Like, my creative juices is flowing, but my pocketbook says no. So we're gonna do some little, I'm probably gonna give y'all maybe 2 or 3 Halloween looks for October, and this is the first one. That's all I'm gonna say. So right now it's probably October 3rd. You probably won't get this video till October 16th, 15th, around that time. You might get it before then. Trying to figure out my uploading schedule. But yeah, this is my inspiration for this video right here that I'm about to do right now. But it was another one that I seen. I can't find it. So yeah. So I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna finish my eyebrows, and then I'll be back. My eyebrows are done. A little weird. So the picture that I seen, like her forehead was a little bigger than mine. My forehead's a little, I didn't think about that. But we still gonna do this. So I got some, what is this called? I got some putty. I have a little spatula. So I'm just gonna take some out. First, you want to make sure you like grease the spatula and grease your hands because it's sticky. And who has time for that? Make sure you grease your hands. And this is like FS putty I got from the store. From like Halloween Spirit, if y'all know what that is. So I'm just going to take some out, take it off, and you just knead it. And then if you want to, you can put like a glue or something right there. I didn't buy no glue, so I'm just gonna use a primer. I'm just gonna stick this on your forehead. Don't be like me and get it in your edges, cause sis. This is like on this cheek. I'm gonna draw a heart with a the NYX pencil. Now that I have my heart on my face, I'm gonna take some liquid latex, and this is from, I don't know. I bought it at Party City, so I'm guessing it's Party City brand. So I'm gonna shake it up. And what you need is liquid latex and some freaking tissue paper. That's it. It's really easy. And I thought liquid latex was gonna be expensive, but it's not. It's real, like it's cheap. Handmade Q-tip and some liquid latex. And you're just gonna put it on there and then like follow the heart section by section, and then put some tissue on it. Tip dinky that I just made. And I'm just gonna work in thin layers and put some tissue on there. Oh dang, that worked fast. Hold on. Do it still look like a heart? Y'all, this stuff do not stink. So I'm gonna go in with a second layer on top of the tissue. Alright, so now that it's done, you want to go ahead and do your regular foundation and routine. I am gonna go like with a lighter shade so I can look pale. So we're gonna just speed through that real quick and then I will be back. Eyeshadow like normal, however you want to do it. I'm doing a red tone. You can do a pink tones or whatever you want to do, but I'm just doing red. So yeah. Now that your makeup is done, what I'm going to do is try my best to carve "Love Me" on my forehead. I know I have a little ass forehead, so I don't know how we're going to do this, but we're going to try to make this work. Okay, sis? Alright, so I don't have enough room for "Love Me," but I have enough room for "Love My Little Bitty Forehead." Lift up the inside.
Then take some black paint and paint inside of that.
Y'all, if y'all wear this out, take some translucent powder and set your whole face. But since I'm not wearing mine out, I'm not gonna worry about that. What I'm also gonna do is, I think that's dark enough. What I'm also gonna do is take some brownish, reddish eyeshadow and put it on the outside of the heart so it can look bruised. Add some dimension to it. I would definitely 100% not recommend the wax at Party City. Go to Halloween Spirit or your SFX store and get like the Ben Nye kind. I was just being cheap. But now that I know that this is sucks, I would get the Ben Nye one because this one is trash. Damn, they loud upstairs. So now that you got all this done, I feel like I'm gonna put a little, cause you can see like that white.
I'm gonna put some white in here real quick.
Now that that's done, you already know what time it is. Well, you don't know what time it is because I never did this before. But we're gonna add blood. All right, for the flake blood, let me wipe off this brush. I've been using the same brush for it. Oh, it's thick. Oh, it looked like jelly. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna look like jelly. How am I gonna do this? So it looks like jelly, like strawberry jelly. So what I'm gonna do is take the blood and I'm gonna line it in here. Ew. So that's that. I'm gonna buy some contacts, but y'all know how much contacts cost. That shit is expensive. Alright, you guys, so I really love how this turned out besides the freaking wax, but that's okay. The clay thingy that go on top, but that's okay. So this is my first one, so I'm super excited to do some more for y'all because I feel like for my first one, it came out pretty good. Besides this part right here, there's another already too. But like, how does it look? I need y'all to leave a comment down below. Like, let me know. And if you made it this far in the video and you're not subscribed and you didn't see your girl's skills, like, what are you waiting for, sis or bro? Like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.